Okay, so here's the playground. Tons of fun. There's Lucy. That's her, all the way over there, collecting leaves and sticks. She's on a mission. Hey Lucy, what are you doing? What are you going to do with all those sticks? What are they for?
Oh, I'm going to make some art.
Oh, you're going to make art.
Can you go find some sticks for me?
What kind of art are you going to make?
Wait, hey Mommy.
Yeah.
I think you need to sit there and watch my sticks, okay?
Okay. I'm just going to stand here and watch your sticks, okay?
Look at them. Because I don't want no one to take them.
I don't think anyone's going to take them.
Hey Mommy.
Yeah.
Just stand right here.
Okay.